Honorable Duale and I will recall, before the elections, muungano wetu ulifanya ahadi nyingi sana, especially kwa jamii zile za wachache na zilizotengwa. For the first time in our history, I even keep saying this all the time, because kama Keinan, I have witnessed 4 governments. I was an activist during Moi's government. I was a senator partly during Kibaki's government. As a commissioner. I was a senator during Uhuru Kenyatta's government. And I am now Secretary General during William Ruto's government. This undeniably and undoubtedly is the best government the Muslims have had. 1, we have populated the ecosystem of government in all manifestations. Katika ulinzi tuko, katika siasa tuko, katika biashara tuko, katika kila ngazi za serikali na za kisiasa tuko. In fact, I think it is the empowerment of the minorities that has elicited such enormous reaction from those people who are entitled with this shareholding philosophy towards William Ruto's presidency. Lakini mimi nataka kukuashua, Your Excellency, this community stands by its word. Tarehe 7 February, when you gazetted or degazetted any discrimination against Muslims or any minorities or any corner tribes, that was the actual Independence Day for many of us since 1963. Kwa hivyo, Waislamu sema pale panapokuja ihsan, tutajibu na ihsan. Wewe usijali, katika hii maeneo yetu ya pwani, maeneo yetu ya kaskazini mashariki, I can assure you we will vote for you in our numbers to the very end.